Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is Saturday and we're looking at the euro US dollar to see how to trade this market next week. And what can we make out of this whole move? As you can see, it is the 4-hour chart, but it is zoomed out. What can we make out of this whole move from top to bottom? Is it for real? The slide down here is for real, and what do we expect next? Well, on the euro US dollar, if you start from the absolute highs on the 140 and to go with the recent lows on the 125, I would say we are at the beginning of a consolidation area, and this consolidation area is most likely to hold until the end of the year. I'm looking for here at a possible contracting triangle, so I'm looking for a contracting triangle after an X wave. Why X wave? Because if you take two lines, or if you look at this move here, two channel lines from here to here like this, okay, and then from here to here, you see that the move is simply channeling to L. When a move that is channeling to L, there is no impulsive move. This opens the gates for this to be nothing but a corrective wave, namely an X wave. And now we should look for a contracting triangle. But remember, the time frame now here is quite big. I'm talking about the 4-hour chart, and the 4-hour chart zoomed out, so this might be visible on the daily chart as well. So what do we expect next? Well, next we have the following possibilities. We should have a wave A to the upside, which I think is not completed. Most likely this is only A, B, and then we'll have a C wave here, stuff like that. This would be something like a wave A, or maybe not even like that, because we need more time for consolidation for this moment of time. So this to be A, B, C, maybe a next wave, and then another A, B, C, D, E, only wave A to go something like this. Then to have a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave until December, and then to move lower. This would be one scenario. In this case, the classical triangle will go with the A and C, B and D trend line, and A and C trend line, of course. And then the triangle should break lower. And in this case, this would be only the end of the second wave after a complex correction. However, this triangle might be, so this is one possibility, this triangle might be a bit, let's say, upsetting for bears, as it may turn out to go A. I will make it with a different color anyways. Then the B wave to go like this. Then the C wave to break the highs in the previous wave A. Then the D wave. Then the E wave to break the highs here, and then to break lower. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something like this, all these spikes, because people say that the euro will have no, let's say, has no juice in it anymore. Well, I wouldn't be that sure, as market has the tendency to test you each and every time, on and on and on. So let's make this one blue, so that we know that this is a different scenario, a different kind of triangle, like this, but still a contracting one anyways. So this will be with the blue scenario. And there is still another possibility. This, for example, is being called a special type of triangle, of contracting triangle, but there is another possibility with actually to have an irregular triangle, and in this case we should have a B wave to go and break the low. So this to be A, B, C, D, E. In both cases, the current spike higher is not enough in terms of the time taken. Take a look. If this is the first wave, if this is the first correction, if this is the X wave, this is the X wave, then wave A cannot be only like this. So wave A needs to be a bit more complex to take something like, so this is October, probably until I don't know, 10 more days, something like this. So I would say 128 is going to come within the wave A structure. So still looking for wave A out of this degree to the upside. Okay, let's make it again. To the upside, and this should be let's say the reason for buying call options on the euro and the US dollar at the opening on Monday, and we'll keep the call option for 1 week with end of week expiration date. So looking to buy call options at the opening on Monday with end of week expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Have a great day. Bye bye.